In this video, I'll show you how to build a floating deck. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Building a floating deck is a relatively straightforward process that involves constructing a raised platform above the ground without attaching it to a permanent foundation. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you build a floating deck. Check local regulations. Before starting any construction project, it's important to check with your local building authorities to ensure compliance with any permits or regulations. Gather the necessary materials and tools. You'll need several materials and tools to build a floating deck. Here's a general list: pressure-treated lumber for the frame and decking, concrete 4-way deck blocks, joist hangers, galvanized nails or screws, deck screws are preferable, power drill, circular saw, level, and a measuring tape. It's also a good idea to lay something under the deck to prevent plants and grass from growing under it. I used old tarps I had for this. Choose the location for your deck. Place the 4-way deck blocks at regular intervals along the perimeter of the deck. Ensure they are level and positioned according to your deck's design. Construct the frame. Use pressure-treated lumber to build the frame of the deck. Start by installing the outer rim joists, ensuring they are square and level. Then, install the interior joists, spacing them evenly according to the load requirements and local building codes. Attach the joists to the rim joists using joist hangers or metal post anchors for additional support. Check for levelness. Use a level to ensure that the deck is perfectly level in all directions. Make any necessary adjustments by adding or removing gravel beneath the deck blocks, or make pressure-treated shims to place between the deck blocks and the frame. Install the decking boards. Lay the decking boards across the joists, leaving a small gap between each board to allow for drainage and expansion. Secure the boards to the joists using galvanized nails or deck screws. Trim any excess boards to achieve a clean edge. Finish the deck. Once the deck is level and securely fastened, you can add any desired finishing touches. This may include sanding the deck surface, applying a weather-resistant stain or paint, or adding railings or other decorative elements. To finish the sides, use pressure-treated plywood as skirting. This will give you a neater look and prevent animals from living under the deck. It's a good idea to add a step on at least one side of the deck. I added a step on the side where it would cover the exposed deck block. If you want to cover the deck blocks on the corners, you can build deck bump outs here. These bump outs work good for installing deck umbrellas or decorating your deck with potted plants. The last step would be to paint or stain any extra features you've added to the deck. In this case, they are the skirting, the step, and the bump outs to cover the deck blocks. Remember, it's important to follow local building codes and guidelines when constructing any type of deck. If you're unsure about any aspect of the process or need additional assistance, it's recommended to consult with a professional or experienced contractor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.